Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and to the garden. Today is just a very brief video. Just want to show you an update on two of the plants in the garden that have had some interesting sort of colors and variegation this year. But just to show you first, we do have the first black sapphire gecko colocasia that's come back. This was overwintered in a cupboard and dry stored, but again seems to have started its journey back into life this year. Just coming this way, come down here, and apologies on a mess, guys. Again, I'm sort of trying to get a lot of the weeds out, things like that. We've had a very warm few days if you live in the UK. Just coming down here off of the back of the jungle path. Now I noticed this just today when watering, and I'll just see if I can show you here. This is the ENSETE Maurelli, which you can see there, that green stripe. That's not a sort of messing with your eyes. Again, I've not had that on any of my onset before, but it does look like it is putting out a striped leaf as well as standard sort of variegation there. So certainly, guys, if you have anything like this, definitely let me know in the comments if you've had any onset do anything similar. Just quickly looking into here, you can just see new frond on the Dicksonia antarctica, 2'1". Another one coming out of the 1'1" one in there, but it'd be interesting. I'll give you guys an update when that leaf does come out just here if you hadn't seen it, and we'll kind of see what that looks like when it fully opens. Hopefully that should be fairly soon. Just coming down here, and just to show you as well, 1 foot Dicksonia antarctica, huge new fronds on this one, really coming into play. And I think there's a couple more to come out on that one. Just here, and this is the one of the ones I wanted to just show you briefly, and apologies guys, I've still got the hose out as I'd literally just discovered that onset a few minutes ago. And the other one I wanted to show you here, if I can get it in the sun correctly, is the variegation on the pups of this MUSA Sikkimensis. Had some really pretty kind of leaves this year. The mother plant isn't doing as much. You can just see down here, lovely sort of variegation on those, and again on underside on that, it's that kind of goldeny red. You can see a couple of the larger leaves here do have it on the mother plant, but again, really just wanted to kind of show you that today. Let me know guys in the comments section below if any of your Sikkimensis are doing any sort of added coloration this year. As again, you know, these are probably the prettiest leaves I've had. Probably one of my most favorite sort of cold hardy bananas that you can grow in the UK. Not quite as hardy as the MUSA Sikkimensis, but for most of our winters you should be able to get this through in the ground with normal protection, similar to MUSA Sikkimensis. But really guys, that was pretty much it for today. Just really brief one, as I say. Just want to show you that as I had discovered that. You know, enjoying this kind of warm weather here. Of course, if you haven't checked out the friends of the channel, feel free to do so. Be in the comment section below. As well as if you're not subscribed to the channel, feel free to join our amazing community. We've got the second half of our garden tour coming out very, very soon, which is going to be doing sort of this whole area here, all the plants around here, and towards the back of our 6-hole mini golf course over there as well. But yeah, with that said, guys, of course, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.